Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the profile section on your account on Canva easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to this three lines up here. Here you will find your profile. Then as you see here you will find the settings. Click on it. And as you see here you can edit and manage your profile section as you like. The name, the email address, what will you be using Canva for, the language and stuff, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.